Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's do this turban head wrap with your velvet. The fabric you're seeing on my hand is velvet, and that is 5 years of velvet. The net is very light, very light. It's not heavy at all. You can even see it. Even after folding it 2 times, you can see it's still very transparent. So I'm I fold it two equal half, then I fold it again. So invariably what we are saying here is that you can use what is it called, 2 years of Ankara fabric or 2 years of velvet to achieve this particular head wrap, but it will not be as full as the way this one is, but you can still achieve the style. Alright, so you can see what I did there now. I folded it into two equal half, then I fold it again. Alright, so I started pleating it from the mouth. Watch what I am doing now. Just gather a rough pleat from the tip or from the mouth or from the nose. I don't know what you want to say. Forgive me, oh, just that tying head wrap is fun. It's fun. To me, it's very funny. Alright, so just pick up your rubber band and tie that particular tip that you folded together, that you squeeze together, or you gather together, or you pleat together. I don't know. Alright, so you're going to have something like this. Then put it inside or fold it inside. Grammar, it come back. Alright, so put it on your head this way, wear it like a cap, then bringing everything to the front now, hold it together like this. If you don't mind, you can use rubber band and hold it at this point, but I'm not using rubber band, so pay attention to what I did. I share it into two and cross it, wash, then I cover it again before I started twisting. So doing that, I've already given the head wrap a very firm base, so we are good to go. I start twisting. Alright, this turban head wrap is very simple, very easy, but beautifully elegant. Trust me, it will always come out beautifully elegant, and it's always simple to do, so try it. Alright, so you saw what I did there. I twisted it, then I rotated it once. I'm going again the second time. Alright, so I'm going to rotate it second time now. So I continue twisting. Pay close attention to what I'm doing now. I continue twisting, twist and twist and twist and twist and twist. Then I go again the third one. Pay close attention. I twisted it, I go again, then the leftover now I brought it down by the side. I don't want to go again, we are still coming to that side, but I just want to give it this style. Alright, so this is just the first side now. So twist it, take everything to the back. If it's still very long enough, just tuck it in and you are good to go. If it's not, use your office pin to fasten it as I did now. Just make sure you use your office pin and pin it wherever that it is comfortable for you, and you are good to go. You can see it, our first style is ready. So because of the twist, any part that is not smooth, you can use pin to hold it there. As you can see what I am doing now, some of the flap came out from that place and the twist is not other neat, so how to use pin to fold those things inside and pin it, and you are good to go. So you can see our first style is ready. Please don't go away, I have 3 styles to show you from here. So place your hair accessories, you are good to go. Cool, how do you see it? Is it not beautiful? Is it not elegant? That is what the back look like. Alright, so the turban is very easy, you can see, very easy, very simple. So please don't tell me you can't try this again. Alright, so I don't know what you're still waiting for. follow me on my YouTube channel. Let us learn together. Follow me on my Facebook. Let us learn together. But I post long videos on YouTube. If you actually want to learn, please join me on my YouTube channel. Facebook will split your video, it will split my video, and most of the time it's just 1 minute video, so everything is just fast on Facebook. Join me on my YouTube. Let's learn. All right, so removing the pin. Now we are moving on to the second style. Alright, so that part now that I took to the back, I removed the pin that I used to pin it. Pay close attention now, just remove the pin. So that part now that I twisted and take to the back, I rotated it and then I come again. I think this is the 4th time or the 3rd time, I don't know. I forgot it. Alright, so just rotate it. Alright, taking it to the back, and you have your step turban on top. Step turban in the middle of your hair. All right, that is step turban. That is what I target. All right, so just use your office pin and hold it, then you adjust it. The second style is ready. All right, so if this is this first time you're coming across my videos, my channel, the person you're hearing my voice is Demi Gil Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So keep glowing. Look at how that beautiful style is. That is the second style. Isn't it beautiful, elegant? Keep moving. Let your head drop. Shout for you. All right, so we are moving on to the third style now. So pay close attention now. I'm going to lose all the things that I folded. All right, pay close attention now. It's only that first one twist that I did not lose, so I continue twisting. Now I'm going to take it all round, just all round. All right, so please do not to drop your like and your comment. Do not watch and walk away, please. I am begging you. Help me to stay tuned on this channel, on YouTube, on Facebook. Alright, so please, if actually you are interested to learn how to make your hair dry, please come closer. This channel is for you. Alright, so let us learn together. Drop your like and your comment. The 3 styles, which one do you prefer? Alright, so help me to stay tuned. I give kudos to all my subscribers. Thanks so much, both the new and old ones. Thank you so much. Those of you that is watching without subscribing, I say thank you so much, but I say please just subscribe, follow me. Let's learn together, so that anytime I create any video, you will be the first to get it. Yes, you first. You first. All right, so please don't forget to practice the same makes perfect. All right, so above all, also remember to share my videos. I'm on my nails. I am begging you, share my videos. Let's keep going. Let others benefit as well. So you can see the third style is ready, beautifully ready. Look at what the side look like. That is the back. You can see how beautiful it is.